that's why I'm protesting. It is unfortunate that what took me 1 year to enforce, 1 year's hard work has just gone to waste. Why? Because 20-30 people disagree with it. I tried to persuade the court, I tried to tell the court, sir, that people have started to pay this tax. The tax is now coming into the account of KE, and inshallah after 30 days, the amount will be transferred into KMC's account. All I said was, sir, give me 30 days time and I will show you that this new system is beneficial for the city of Karachi. I told the court, I requested the court, sir, nobody has ever stopped K Electric from collecting the license fee of Pakistan Television. How can these 20-30 people stop KMC from using this methodology? When K Electric can do something for an institution which is Islamabad based, K Electric can very well do something for the institution that looks after the city.